What do you think? It should be offline modes of study or online modes of study?
ऑफलाइन बिकॉज इसमें इंटरेक्शन ज़्यादा होता है.
So you need face-to-face interaction with your girlfriend or teachers?
Everyone.
Everyone. So he has a girlfriend. Okay. Have you both been fighting? Why is he sitting? But what do you think that exam should be online or offline? Good morning everybody, and today we are in Pite College. So as you know, government guidelines are changing day by day, and now to cater on what they think, the students think about the college guidelines and the government guidelines about the offline and online modes of study, let's talk about, come on. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sarita.
And what's your name?
माय नेम इज़ सोनिया.
So what do you think about the online and offline modes of study? Like as we see, earlier it was offline and then it came online, and then now we are having like simultaneously online and offline. What do you think about that?
I think offline mode is better because physical presence is matters.
Okay,
On
yeah.
online mode, there is no physical presence.
Yeah, totally. So now you are coming like how many days in college?
I think 2 or 3 days
2 or 3 days. Do you want that it should be more or it's good?
more.
More. We need canteens, right? So I've got to know that you MBA people have also sent some application to the chairman, sir.
या सो ऐसा एज आई सेड कि ऑफलाइन मोड में जब हम लोग आने लगे तो हमें ऑनलाइन से भी इतना अच्छा लगा कि जब हमें पता लगा कि देयर इज़ अ गैप between the classes, and 3 days we have to come offline and 2 days we are having online classes. So we send an application to our HOD, sir, like we have to attend. You wanna attend 5 days in a week.
Okay, so what do you think about the government guidelines going on here? Do you like it or you are like so?
It was not good, but it is also safe for us because it is spreading day by day. So that's why we have to sacrifice for that.
So what do you think about it? It should be online or offline?
It should be offline because हमारी प्रैक्टिकली जो क्लासेस होते हैं जैसे HAP हेल्थ एजुकेशन फिजियोलॉजी, तो उसमें काफ़ी सारे ऐसे टॉपिक होते हैं जो बोन्स और मसल्स के बारे में होते हैं. तो उनके बारे में अगर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस होते हैं ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, ज़्यादा अच्छे समझ में आ जाता है. ऑनलाइन में कुछ ना तो कंसंट्रेशन हो पाता है और ना ही समझ में आता है इतना.
Great, but what do you think that exam should be online or offline?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं मैम, ऑफलाइन हो जाए ऑनलाइन हो जाए, अगर पढ़ रखा है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
So we are talking to some very intelligent people here. Hats off to them, please. So what do you think about it? Like it should be offline or online?
It should be offline because
Yeah.
nowadays we are all are tired up with sitting on homes, so it should be offline.
So you're tired in what sense? Like you're getting fat?
No, not getting fat. I'm a regular gym, but it's about the environment. It's about the we all need a education environment. We all need a friendly environment. And
Yeah, true. Let's talk more. So what's your name?
Varun,
Varun. Hi Varun. So what do you think about it?
Both.
Both.
Yeah,
Why?
because everyone has its own choice. Like I like to have like offline classes because it's like face-to-face interaction is more attentive, like in my point of view.
So you're an intelligent student?
No,
No. So you need face-to-face interaction with a girlfriend or teachers?
everyone.
Everyone. So he has a girlfriend. Okay. So hi, what's your name?
विधि.
Vidhi. Hi Vidhi.
Hi.
So what do you think about it?
I think offline classes are best, and they cannot online classes cannot replace offline ones because first is interaction, confidence, to boost up confidence,
Yeah.
and mainly studies. The way we can get in offline classes is not possible in online way. That's why.
Yeah, true. You're going great. Thank you. Yes. So what's your name?
Chetna.
Hi Chetna. So what do you think about it?
I feel in both the ways, but as the current scenario is going on, so we have to also take the follows of government rules also.
But what do you think about the government guidelines going on around like offline or online modes?
Actually, everyone has different point of view, but according to me, as I am an MBA student, so I think offline classes are much better. Offline classes will be more fruitful for an MBA student, as MBA is in personality enhancement course. So in personality enhancement, online classes are not very good for the students. Offline classes are much better. As in doubt solving classes also, offline classes are much better. In online classes, teacher also face very difficulty to clear the doubts of the students. So according to me, offline classes are much better.
Thank you so much, Swati. Hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Manya.
Hi, Manya. So, what do you think about it?
I think both of the mode are equally like apt, but I think according to me offline mode is better, far better, because we get to know everything. We get skills, we get exposure, everything is suitable over here. Most importantly, our college life, which is post graduation, as like I am. So 2 years are all about college life, ending years, so I think it is better.
Thank you so much. So, what do you think about it?
My opinion is offline, because in offline we as easily connect to the faculties. So offline.
Okay, so who is your favorite faculty?
ये तो बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन इंटरनल एग्जाम उनके पास ही है मार्क्स
So, I wanted to know that you must have heard about the government guidelines. So, what do you think? It should be offline modes of study or online modes of study?
ऑफलाइन, बिकॉज इसमें इंटरेक्शन ज़्यादा होता है स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीचर्स के बीच में,
Yes.
एक्टिविटीज़ भी हो जाती है.
So, by the way, have you both been fighting? Why is he sitting? Hi, so what's your name?
मयंक.
मयंक, लड़ाई हुई आप दोनों की?
नहीं,
नहीं, सब ऐसे पीछे क्यों मुंह करके बैठे हो?
धूप आ रही थी.
Okay, धूप आ रही थी. Okay, fine. So now, tell me more about, like, what do you think about it? Should be offline or online modes of study?
Offline,
Offline modes of study. Why?
because offline is much better than online.
Yeah. So why? Like पढ़ाई के मैटर से या सिर्फ ऐसे कैंटीन जाना होता है?
Study matter से.
Study matters. Okay, so now we have interacted with a lot of students, but now let's go to the teachers and see what their perspective is. Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Great, sir. So, sir, what is your perspective about the government guidelines on offline and online modes of study?
See, I don't want to say about any guidelines or something. I just want to say whatever the teachers are doing, either they are doing effort for online teaching or offline teaching. I just want to, give a salute to them because in the online mode, they are managing their schedule as well. They are managing their home as well in a very beautiful way. They are managing the class things and the family things, the job or something. And in the offline mode, like always, they have to come to the institute or then again the normal routine life. So I just want to say कि either चाहे वो students online mode में पढ़ें या offline mode में पढ़ें, जो teachers effort कर रहे हैं, they are just doing commendable work and I just want to salute them and I wish कि teachers जो हैं वो ऐसे ही काम करते रहें, students उनका support करते रहें, because without अच्छे students there is no use of teachers and without teachers there is no use of students. Thank you so much.
So salute to you too, sir. Okay. So thank you so much, sir. Moreover, thanks to you people too for watching our video. Now, for more updates, stay tuned. All the links in the description of all our social media handles and all the media handles also written below. So stay tuned and stay connected because you'll be always welcomed and entertained. Okay, thank you so much.